You woke up tired, but not from sleep. It's the weight of yesterday still living in your hips, your thoughts, your breath. This is your space to release all of it. Let's hit the mat. When your days are packed and rigid, this gentle twist gives you room to breathe again. Step your right foot forward into low lunge. Place your left hand down. Right hand lifts as you twist toward your front leg. Keep your spine long and your breath steady. I promise this move is how you unlock the space stress steals from your body. Drop your back knee down if balance feels off today. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Let's bring that same release to the other side. Your left side holds just as much tension. You deserve symmetry today. Step your left foot forward, drop into a lunge, right hand stays grounded, left thumb opens wide into a twist. Stay soft in your jaw and neck. I promise this move is how you unlock circulation and mental clarity. If your knee feels strained, add a folded towel underneath it. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now that your spine is gently rotated, we're diving deeper into the hips. You've been holding things in your hips for days. This is your permission to let go. Bring your right knee forward, angle it towards your left wrist. Extend your back leg long behind you. Fold forward if you're ready, or stay upright and breathe. I promise this move is how you unlock peace in the places that feel tightest. Place a cushion under your right hip for more support. Next side goes even deeper. Your hips are unlocking. Let's even it out with the left. Switch sides after 30 seconds. The left hip might hold more emotion. This is your time to feel without judgment. Slide your left knee forward, leg angled, and stretch your right leg behind. Sink in slowly. Breathe deeper. If you fold forward, let your arms be heavy and relaxed. I promise this move is how you unlock deep emotional release and hip flexibility. Stay upright if folding forward feels too intense today. Do you notice one side tighter than the other? That's normal. Now that your hips are open, let's build control and support inside the joint. Your hips don't just need flexibility, they need strength to support you all day long. Sit with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind you, lean back slightly. Drop one knee toward the opposite side. Come back to center, alternate slowly, moving with control. I promise this move is how you unlock stability that lasts longer than motivation. Keep feet wider for less intensity. Narrow them to deepen the range. We're just getting started. Next one melts all the tension from your glutes. Now that your hips feel supported, let's soften what they've been carrying. Glutes often store stress, especially when you're constantly on. This brings relief. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Lift your left foot and gently pull the leg towards you. Switch sides after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock deep glute release and emotional ease. Keep bottom foot on the floor if pulling feels like too much today. Let's make this one your strongest, deepest hold yet. You've come this far. Finish with me in full body calm. The best way to reset your whole system? Hang low, breathe deep, and surrender. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips and let your upper body drape forward. Let your arms hang or grab opposite elbows. Soften your knees if needed. I promise this move is how you unlock length, presence, and calm. Bend your knees as much as needed. This is about release, not perfection. Stay with me, just 5 more seconds. Let it all go. Slowly rise up. Bring your hands to your heart.